So I just wanted to go over this quick lesson of les pronoms compléments. So it's a really fancy word for four little words, me, te, nous, and vous. And what these refer to is you're either referring to oneself and those who one might be addressing without actually kind of repeating a lot of words in a sense. Okay, so take a look at these examples right here. Tu me parles? Are you speaking to me? Oftentimes in the past, you guys wanted to put à moi at the end, which would translate directly. Tu parles à moi? You're talking to me, but we can't do it that way. It's not grammatically correct. So this is the grammatically correct way. So all those times I said, I'll tell you one day, now I'm telling you. Okay, so instead of using à moi at the end or à toi at the end, we're going to use these pronouns, me and te and nous and vous. Okay, these are also called object pronouns. So take a look at this question. Tu me parles? Oui, je te parle. Are you talking to me? Yes, I'm talking to you. And it goes directly before the verb. Okay, look at this example. Tu nous invites au concert. If I were to cover this up, the nous, notice how tu is conjugated appropriately and invite is conjugated for the tu form. Okay, you are inviting us to the concert. Tu nous invites au concert? Oui, je vous invite. I'm inviting you all to the concert. Okay, so they're just four little words. They go before the verb. Okay, and they are called object pronouns, and they are used to refer to oneself and to those one is addressing. So again, if I'm addressing you, I'm going to use tu or nous or vous, and if I'm addressing myself, it's going to be me. Okay, so remember that in French, object pronouns come immediately before the verb, which is why they're in red here, right directly before the verb. Okay, another example might be je te téléphone ce soir. I'm calling you, or I call you tonight. Je te téléphone ce soir. Okay, so for je, we're going to use me or M apostrophe. M apostrophe is going to be used in front of a verb that begins with a vowel. Okay. For tu, we're going to use te or T apostrophe. For nous, it's actually going to be exactly the same. We're going to use nous, and same goes for vous. Okay. What I'm going to ask you to do is write 4 examples here, okay, as part of your notes, and there's some practice on the next slide of your lesson. Au revoir.